Grim news coming in this morning on the COVID front. Huge surge of cases nationally, and that means that the data that's come in now is that 90,928 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. You can see that we're inching closer to the 1 lakh mark now. If you look at the data of the daily infections, it's 56.5% higher than yesterday. The top 5 states, the states which have been the worst affected, first is Maharashtra, which is reporting 26,538 cases. 15,000 of those cases are from the city of Mumbai alone. West Bengal is the second worst affected state with 14,022 cases. Delhi, third in that list with 10,665 cases. Tamil Nadu has now overtaken Kerala. Tamil Nadu has 4,862 cases, and Kerala is the fifth in that list with 4,801 cases. Worrying surge this in the number of COVID infections. Daily cases going up now to 90,928. Experts did say that as the third week progresses, we could see somewhere above 1 lakh cases being reported on a daily basis. Yesterday, it was about 58,000 cases. Today, it's 90,000 cases, and that by itself tells you exactly how fast Omicron is spreading right now in the country.